Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, go to search bar and simply type your registry editor. Then click here to open it. Select as. On this window, we need to expand the HK local machine. Then expand software folder. Now expand the Microsoft folder. Now just scroll down and find out Windows NT folder. Keep scrolling down and here you will get, here it is. Just expand this, then expand current version folder. Now we need to find out the WinLogon folder. Just keep scrolling down. Here you will get, just select it. On the right side you will get shell folder. Just right click on it, select modify, and here we have to type in explorer.exe. okay, then click on OK, and now again go back to the HK local machine. Now expand HK current user, then expand software folder. Now expand the classes folder. Just scroll down and here it is, expand this. Now expand the local settings folder. Just keep scrolling down until you find the local settings folder. Here it is, local settings. Expand these. In the local settings we need to expand software folder, then expand Microsoft folder, and then expand Windows folder. Here we need to expand the shell folder, and we need to right click on the bank MRU and simply delete this folder. And again we need to delete the bags folder also. And once done, just right click on here, select task manager. Now find out the file explorer, simply click on restart. Wait for a few seconds. This will try to fix all the errors on your window related to your file explorer. Once done, restart your system and problem will be solved. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel, and you can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. Go and please check out once.